Okay, hey. That little boy or teen. Welcome to the Munchie Stani show. Munchie Stani. Hey, here we go. You are watching Munchie Stani TV. I am Jay Munchie. Hello. You know what I'm saying? BZ. Slaw to all my Kurds in Kurdistan. Hey, BZ Kurdistan. You know what I'm saying? And today, not just Kurdistan, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to all my Ingush people. So this is Kurdish music and Ingush music. You can say Kurdish music and Ingush music versus, if you want to say that, or you can say Kurdish and Ingush music. But today, I got a special reaction video for you guys. Hell yeah. And we're going to be reacting to some Kurdish music and to some Ingushi music. You know what I'm saying? I think it's Ingush. I'm not sure. It might be Lesky. You know what I'm saying? It might be Lesky. It might be Dagestani. You know what I'm saying? It might be Cambodian. It might be from one of them Caucasian republics, you know what I'm saying, in the Caucasus Mountain region, north to south Caucasus, you know what I'm saying. But you could say the Black Sea versus the Caspian Sea, you know what I'm saying. It's up to you. We're going to be checking out this Kurdish song, Kurdish dance. This is called Xoshtren Gorany Halparkye Kurde 2021, baby. You already know. If you got them munchies for music and you hungry for music, you know how we do it. You know how we do it. Okay, hey. Let's go. Okay. Hey. Oh, it's over already. Wow, that's beautiful. Here comes the bride, y'all. Boy, they just let the choppers off. Holy shit. Yeah, that caught me off guard. I was not expecting that. Holy crap. Yo, they just stopped at the, I guess you want to call it the corner or the end of the driveway or the end of the roadway. Holy crap. That's the way to celebrate. Your wedding, I know that's right. Hey, yeah. That little boy or a teenager, whoever he was killing it. Hey. Oh, that was epic. The ending was epic. See my circassian people riding their horses, you know what I'm saying?